Now then, you'll like this. So we've had some noise out of it. Motor's running, yeah, we like that. So let's get that for you. Just a quick start up. Yeah, it sounds crisp enough. I mean, the fuel's been in it since over a year now, about 15-16 months, so yeah, we're happy with that. Got the tunnel sorted, so that's where we're at with that. Just looking at making a console fit. So it's going to want a bit of chopping about and a bit of gluing and fiberglassing and stuff, but we'll get front end fitted first and then we'll go from there. Probably get carpet in and just see how much higher it's going to sort. But yeah, all good, all good. Yes, we've got a few jobs to do, but I'm happy it's running. That's good. That's one of the good things. So we know it's sweet enough. Trying to get rid of a bit of that grease out of there. I'm not going to clear it all off, but just so when I go underneath it, I'm not getting covered in it. I thought I'd just clean it off under there before I start building suspension up. So that's where we're at. Yeah, a few bits, get them track control arms made, and that's where we're at. But seeing as it's running, I thought we'd better have it on. Why not, eh? Yeah. So, as and when, we'll update again. Cheers, mate.